Did you know that now we are able to ask Google Gemini AI for help while working inside Google Spreadsheet? It's available almost in all regions now. They've been enrolling this country by country, so I hope it's already in your region as well. You can see the Gemini icon next to the profile picture, so click on that, and you will get the panel on the right side. Now you can ask about several things. You can ask them to create the formulas for you by describing what numbers do you need, or you can ask them to teach you how to do something like conditional formatting, for example. So teach me how to use conditional formatting, and they will kind of guide you through the software step by step and explain how it can be done in Google Spreadsheet. Here it is, step by step, how to do it. All right. Let's ask to calculate average. And I just get a formula here on the left that I can take and use. They even gave me the result before I use it. So that's really cool thing. You can kind of have this conversation with Gemini and then decide that you want to actually use this stuff or no. Let's check that the formula they provide is correct. It is, and the result is very same. So it seems like it can analyze your spreadsheet and kind of understand what's on it. I think it's definitely an interesting feature, and it will help us to analyze, create formulas, and add different charts in the near future. Try it yourself. I hope this short tutorial was helpful today, and I will see you in the next lesson.